Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to use QuickBooks Online. If you haven't know yet, QuickBooks is a web-based application that are going to help you with your business. It's going to help you manage your accounting, bookkeeping, as well as creating invoice, saving your customers' data, etc., etc. So go ahead and try to find quickbooks.intuit.com because QuickBooks actually have two kind of web page. One is specifically for US user, and if you're not from the US, you're going to want to try to find quickbooks.intuit.com because that is their global web page, and that is the one that you can use if you don't live in the US. So once you found the quickbooks.intuit.com, what you're going to do is you're going to want to create an account. They're going to give you a free account with a limited benefits, but even with the free account, you can still do a lot of things. So go ahead and click on login and then click on QuickBooks Online. So here they're going to ask you to sign up using your email or your phone number. So you can always choose between each two. After that, they're going to show you the plans that they have. So they have Simple, Start, Essential, and Plus. Each one of them have their own benefit. If you scroll down, you're going to find the benefit of each plans. Go ahead and pause this video if you would like to read it, or you can just go to their website and read it on your own. And you can also start free trials if you would like to see which plan is the most suitable for you. For now, I'm just going to go ahead and start with the free plan. And now I'm going to wait until my QuickBook account is created. So this is how the dashboard of my QuickBooks looks like. You can see that on the top of my screen, I have the name of my business, Eyes of the Sun, and you also have the options to add the logo if you would like. You can simply click on the logo pictures and then upload your logo to QuickBooks. You have the options to take a look at the bank transactions. If you would like to do that, just go ahead and click on the bank transactions on the left side of your screen, and it's going to show you that you can automate income and expenses tracking. So to do that, they actually have a video tutorial. You can go ahead and watch that. We're not going to go through to every details, but basically all you have to do is to connect a bank or credit card to get started. And then you can review and add your transaction, and then you can see how your business is going over there. So you can, so this and this is going to be very helpful if you would like to track your income and your expenses instead of having to going back and forth and check it manually from your bank. QuickBook is going to help you do that. They also have the reconcile options. So if you already have your transactions recorded by QuickBook can also reconcile it with the real life income and expenses. So whether the one on your bank account reflect the real life income and expenses instead of having to do it manually, QuickBooks are going to help you to do that. Then you can also go to the sales sections, take a look at the invoice sending, creation, and tracking. So obviously, if you're creating a business, you will want to create invoices every single time. Maybe you sell your product or you do your services, depends on what kind of business you're doing. QuickBooks have this invoice section that are going to allows you to create invoices for your customers. And they also allows you to save customers' data. All you have to do is go to the sales sections, and over there, you're going to find these customers sections over here. If you already have your customers' data on, let's say, CSV form or any other form you have, you can import it. Usually people will use CSV to import their data to a certain web page. It's going to save you a lot of time, but if you haven't, they also offers you a way to add your customers manually. So right here, I'm adding my customers data manually. I can add the title, the name, the company's name, the phone numbers, etc. So the company's name doesn't necessarily have to be a customers where your company is working together with. This can also be a great hint if you have a customer with the same name, but they're working on different company. So it's going to be easier for you to track, so you will not be confused on which one is which. So if you could, I recommend you to insert the company names just so it's going to make it easier for you in the future. And then you can add the address if you want, or some notes about your customer. So my business is about lash extension services. So let's say that I know this specific customer love a specific types of lashes, or she likes some kind of surfaces in my salon. I'm going to want to write it down so that next time she came, so the next time so the next time she comes to my place, I know what to expect, and I also know her preference. It's going to help you build up bonds with your customers, and hopefully they will be a repeat customers. After you're done with entering all of the details, go ahead and click on save. And then your customer's name or your customer's data is going to appear on this customer sections. After you add your customers detail, only then you will be able to create some invoices. To create invoices, what you're going to do is you're going to click on the new symbol on the left side of your screen. On the very top, you're going to find the new text. You're going to find a new symbol, and over there, you're going to find a lot of things that you can do with QuickBooks. There is customer sections that shows you can create invoices, etc. There is team sections. You can take a look and try to explore on what you can do with QuickBooks. And right here, I'm going to try and add one more customer. And I'm going to show you how you can search for a customer's name, as well as how you can assign certain invoices to a customer. So I've inserted the details of my second customer, and as you can see, the only name that appearing are the second customers that I've made. But you can always search for your customer's name on the search bar on the left side of your screen. You're going to be able to find a small search bar. Go ahead and type in your customer's name, and it's going to appear automatically. And let's say you want to create a new transactions for your customers. All you have to do is click on the new transactions button, and it's going to direct you to this invoice creation page. So right here, you can go ahead and input your customer's email, because usually customers would like to ask you to send the invoice through their email. So go ahead and do that. And then you can also insert billing address if you want. You can insert the terms and condition, etc., etc. And then of course at the very bottom, you're going to want to add your product. So if you haven't created your product yet, don't worry, you can always go back and close this invoice and start creating your product first. To create your product, all you have to do is you're going to click on the new. To create your product, all you have to do is you just have to go back to your dashboard, go to the sales sections, and then you're going to find a product and services sections. Go ahead to insert your product. In my case, it's going to be a service. So I'm going to go ahead and add my services. And here it is. Now I got my service. Obviously, you can always add up more according to what product or what services you offer, and then you can insert this product or services on your invoices later. And besides that, QuickBook actually also offers you to integrate or to connect your account to another apps if you want to. Let's say you need additional apps to create cash flow, or maybe you will want to track other things with QuickBooks. You can connect your QuickBook with other app, and it's going to be even more helpful for your business. And that is it. That is how you can use QuickBooks for your business management or for your accounting management. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.